guys, welcome to another beautiful fashionable evening. और आज यहाँ पर हैं हमारे साथ Diana Penty, the beautiful actress from Cocktail. Yes, and what is she doing here? Is she attending a cocktail or is she beautifully dressed and walking the ramp for a designer? अभी हम ये नहीं बताएंगे because we are on day 2 at the Wills Lifestyle India Fashion Week Spring Summer 2013 in association with Fiamma de Wills. And who else can bring this to you but FTCI?
I called up Shabana ji and I said, you know, I'm committed to do a show at Wills India Fashion Week, and what I'd love to do is get the Mijma work out there. We've celebrated it with actors and celebrities, but I think it's Fashion Week that should see it. And so that was the whole purpose.
It's for me a dream come true. Today are so empowered that due to Manish Malhotra, who's pulled them out of oblivion, and right at the doorstep of film stars, sports people, the Fashion Week, for me, it gives me goose flesh, and I only know that wherever my father is, he would be very, very happy.
At the back of my mind, I knew why I was doing this, so I just didn't want anything to go wrong. I feel so strongly about what Manish and Shabana ji are doing that there was no way that I could have been any otherwise.
Based on Rajputana, as you see, like Manoj is dressed up in a Rajput king. So that's the whole concept, like the entire Rajputana concept.
Bhagalpuri silk, that craft is dying, you know, somewhere, and he's trying to revive it, you know, by promoting it countrywide, nationwide, internationally. So if I am part of it, and if it gets even a little bit of boost, I'll be very happy.
My collection's all about baby Ganesha playing with angels. It's taking Indian kitsch back to one of its origins, which is the Italian Renaissance. White with hand painting by Bhamini Subramaniam. I really feel it's time that designers shared the platform with other professionals and gave them also the sort of exposure they need.
Fashion Week is also about wearing the most exciting and shocking clothes and making a fashion statement. And of course we have James Ferreira here. तो अगर ये fashion statement नहीं बनाएंगे तो और कौन बनाएगा? आपने ये शर्ट जो पहनी है, आप मुझे बुला रहे हैं जो कहता है आती क्या?
नहीं जी।
क्यों? क्योंकि मैं लड़की हूँ।
जी जी जी।
Did you pick it up somewhere or did you make it?
No, actually this is from my 2006 collection, yeah. I also have one Ek Phool Das Mali.
तो आप मेरे लिए एक शर्ट बनाएंगे आता क्या?
Definitely. Would you wear it?
Yes, और जब मैं वो शर्ट पहनूंगी आता क्या, I will come and stand in front of you and I'm still trying to flirt with you.
Impossible dream, Sibli. Impossible.
अच्छा ठीक है यार, शर्ट तो दे देना.
शर्ट तो जरूर ज़्यादा एक डजन देगा. आती क्या, सपनों की रानी, रूप मेरा मस्ताना. That is another one you should wear. Roop Mera Mastana, we should do one fitted tight dress for you.
These are an amazing concept with these shirts.
Thank you, Sibli.
आपका भी रूप आज लग रहा है मस्ताना.
Thank you.
The whole idea was actually finding happiness and how you find happiness through love and to find love and is what the whole collection is all about.
It's actually inspired from the Gujarati mirror work, embroideries and everything. So we have actually taken a lot of the traditional craft work and given it a more contemporary feel.
We were showcasing summer 2013, and I really thought this collection brought it on with a bang. I think the colors are very subtle, you know, really following forecast.
As a designer, start rolling.
जब मैं पूछ रही थी तो फोकस वहाँ था कि यहाँ था?
Listen, I'm not good at this stuff.
Will's Lifestyle India Fashion Week, presented in association with presented in association with.
As a designer, start rolling.
जब मैं पूछ रही थी तो फोकस वहाँ था कि यहाँ था?
Listen, I'm not good at this stuff.
The beautiful girl. पिक्चर का नाम क्या है? पिक्चर का नाम क्या है?
Wow.
Do not forget the wonderful clothes. Sorry.
Walk, Wills, Fashion Week. Achha, no lifestyle. Walk, lifestyle.
Sorry. But of course, Sakshi Pradhan, Devarnil. Hi. मैं जब भी Will's Lifestyle India Fashion Week में आती हूँ, there is one show I hate to miss and there is one stall I love to visit always, and that is of course Nida Mahmood's stall.
Thank you, Simi. So sweet of you.
तो नीडा, of course ये जो आपने पहना है ये आपकी current collection में से होगा, and it seems like a lot of work has gone into this.
Yes, this is from my current collection, and yes, a lot of work has gone into making this. It's actually a very interesting, very tedious process, which is indigenously created. So we print fabric first, then we graph it, and then we weave it, and then we graph it again, and then finally we stitch it.
Wow, that seems very complicated. तो मुझे थोड़ा बहुत समझ आ रहा था कि कहीं पे graphics हैं, कहीं पे quilting है, but I'm sure our viewers are enjoying this spectacular dress that you have on, and you look as beautiful as the dress. You do have a lot of interesting stuff here that we can share with our viewers.
These are some coasters. These are some matchboxes which are inspired by the good old PCO. Then there is stuff in Hindi.
For fashion.
And for rickshaw.
I can see the rickshaw. यहाँ पर बसंती भी आ गई हैं.
Oh yeah, this is one of my favorites. This is inspired from the film Sholay.
I also see a few very wacky and very creative shots here, hot pants.
These add a lot of fun to your evening. You can go out with just a plain pair of a tank top, just team this up with nice booties or strappies or whatever.
So that's the back.
That's the back.
So you need a perfect butt to be wearing this.
Yes, I would imagine so. This is another fun.
Tring, tring.
This is another very nice, funky one which says Lal Gulab Chhap.
Tanisha, what's the Raz?
Raz, देख लो नीचे.
Exchange कर लो, please.
Wear them now.
Lifestyle India Fashion Week रैम्प तो अच्छा और मज़ेदार होता ही है, but I think my favorite spot is the Source, जहाँ पे सब stalls होते हैं. And right now we have with us Felix Bendish, who is just back from the London Fashion Week. Felix, लेकिन यहाँ पे तो it's a celebration of fashion और आपने तो यहाँ पे coffin बना दिया. आप किसको दफनाने वाले हैं इसमें? I hope it's not me.
नहीं, definitely not.
How important do you think is an accessory to a garment and how can you change the look?
I think accessories worldwide में ज़्यादा focus किया जा रहा है because in terms of revenue and styling. जैसे आप देखिए simple सा brooch है ये. If I just pin it on over here, that's it. It makes a statement. It just enhances the own garment. So absolutely, you can, and it's a unisex. मैं भी पहन सकता हूँ, आप भी पहन सकते हो. So,
is it a kiss or is it lips?
It's lips. It's about talking. It's about expression. इसलिए lips. And the most important thing is Indian craftsmanship इसमें आ गया है. And मैं embroidery करता हूँ and obviously India represent होता ही है.
Just give a few tips to our viewers about how they should accessorize their clothes.
Yeah, for instance, that you're wearing this beautiful diamond earrings and you're quite vibrant, so I would definitely give you this kind of, not a very heavy contrast, maybe tonal. Yeah.
What have you used on this?
Sequence है, उसका treatment देके उसको जलाया गया है and obviously Swarovski crystals डाल दिए गए अंदर.
So actually.
Yeah, it's more tonal, sophisticated है and बहुत easy to wear है ये.
Okay, great. And now I have with us Tanisha Mohan, very famous socialite from Delhi. And वो इतनी लंबी लग रही हैं और मैं तो इतनी गिट्टी और छोटी लग रही हूँ. तो let's find out what's the राज. Tanisha, what's the राज?
राज देख लो नीचे.
Exchange कर लो please.
Wear them now. Now Simi, who was like 5 inches shorter than me.
I feel it towel.
3 inches taller than me. So see, these are Kamal of the Sitaras in your feet.
तो यहाँ तो मुझे मिलेंगे नहीं तो मतलब मैं गिट्टी रहूँगी.
Italy चलो, come, let's go.
Wow, so that was one star-studded glam-packed evening at the Wills Lifestyle India Fashion Week, and FDCI has managed to rope in an NGO, which means it's always fashion with a cause. This is it for now. See you again, same time, same place tomorrow. Where else but on Zoom, India's #1 Bollywood channel.